welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we will be assembling the Panzer 35T. So I'm just checking part by part, and we will need to now do some cutting of the supports underneath this gun. So just carefully take your clippers and cut that. There we go. And then be extra careful under this MG, especially in the smaller scales for sure. All right, and then let's cut like that. Okay. Clean that up a little bit. That is done. And then you have this here. You need to cut that and that. And then cut underneath this there. Fairly delicate little parts there. So like I said, if you're working with a tiny scale, be extra careful. The scale I'm currently working with is the 1/72nd scale. Last but not least is to get this plastic cutaway. Alright, I did that, and it sure would be handy to have an X-Acto knife. I don't have one with me currently, but if you did, you could just scrape that away. Instead, I'll be trying to do it with this. Alright, so I managed to cut that up. So we're done the cutting away process. Let's start to glue this tank together. So just get some glue here, put that there, and then like so. Alright, well, while that dries, let's go ahead and put a little glue here, and then I'm putting this turret together. So up next we actually have some glue right there, and then this is the little MG that we cut from before. It comes with two in case you lose one, but if you manage to get it there first try without losing it, I guess what you can do is keep the other one in your bit bin. There's an MG available for other stuff. Let's go ahead and put this turret in. Very good. And then let's put these tracks on. So just put some glue there, just everywhere where it will make contact. The other side, excellent. So the Panzer 35T is done, and it's available at miniaturetanks.com.